It's a gorgeous day here in sunny Florida. This is Karina Danager, and I'm coming to you live from Indiana. Can't go back once you start live, right? I'm in Indialantic, Florida, in Oceanside Village today, and I'm here to show you a brand new listing that's coming on the market tomorrow morning. I'm very excited. I love Oceanside Village. Oceanside Village has lots of great amenities. They have a clubhouse, they have a pool, they have all sorts of great amenities. You have the development started about 15 years ago, and then in 2013, they started down this area where they're all new homes, absolutely gorgeous. Vintage Homes did a beautiful job building these homes. Absolutely love the style and the architecture details that they did, along with the paver driveways. This one here, 3569 Poseidon Way, is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, but it has an office that could very easily be converted into a 4-bedroom. So I do want to point out this stunning door before I take you inside. All the doors and the windows are all hurricane impact. So you do not have to board this house up. If a storm comes in, super easy. You get to sit back and watch your neighbors run around like chickens without their heads on. Nice, great, big, high ceilings, beautiful lighting, nice little architectural details along the way. The hallway is very pretty. And you can see the nice tile. I'm gonna come into bedroom number, we'll call this one number 3. It's at the front of the house. Nice lighting with the natural lighting with the windows. Again, a hurricane impact glass. Big, beautiful doors. Nice deep closet back there. The bedrooms do have carpet. And then the rest of the house is tile. The office is a hardwood floor. The bathrooms have nice granite countertops. Beautiful mirrors and light fixtures. Gorgeous, gorgeous shower with the seamless glass. A lot of extra bells and whistles came through with the owner that put this place together with Vintage when she was picking out her stuff. You have a nice linen closet here. Again, all the doors are super high. I absolutely love it. This is the office that could easily be converted into a 4th bedroom. It has a very big, deep closet here, double doored. You have a door, and all you would need is a little bit of drywall there. Close it off, super easy. You got a nice 4th bedroom. Or if you're working from home these days, like so many people are, you'll definitely want to have an office. So office is already there if you need it. If not, and you need a bedroom, go ahead and close it off. But really pretty. They did a really nice job, and lots of cutouts in your ceiling. The tray ceilings are pretty. So we're gonna make a left, and I'm gonna show you something. I usually don't show closets, but this closet is surreal. I'm backing up. This closet is the length of the wall that we just walked past. That is a huge, deep closet for storage. You have that door there goes out to the 2-car garage. Over here is the next bedroom. So all the bedrooms are kind of split up from each other. And this one has its own suite, own bathroom, which is nice because the bedrooms all have their own bathrooms. Bedrooms have their own bathrooms. And so nice tub, shower combo. Beautiful vanity top, nice clean, light and bright in here. And again, you have the double door closet. So lots and lots of closet space in this house, which is spectacular. And then we have the laundry room, which is as long as that last closet that I showed you. So you have the laundry room and plenty of space to put cabinetry, storage, shelving, or a countertop to fold your laundry. Now, as we come out here, we're going to take a right, and this would be your formal dining room. Very nice, beautiful window treatments. I love those shutters. They're not cheap to do either, so that's another nice big upgrade. As I spin around, you'll see the hallway, and then I'm going to show you this magnificent kitchen. I'm stepping back so you can kind of catch what's going on here because it's gorgeous. I love how they did the light island versus the dark cabinets to break it up. Gorgeous, gorgeous countertops. That's granite that you're looking at. Nice cabinetry, Really pretty subway backsplash. It goes very well in here. You have a nice deep sink. The owner wanted to bring in the black appliances to go with the dark cabinets. That was her taste. If black's not your taste in the kitchen, you can always go stainless or white or whatever makes you happy. The gunmetal's in too. So again, you get, look at this. I'm going to take you back here for a second so you get the bird's eye view this way. Isn't that sharp? What a really nice, beautiful contrasted kitchen. And I'm sure it's not doing its justice on the video, so make your appointment and come see it. And then over here would be your eat-in kitchen. So just on the other side, you have a nice deep pantry, nice windows. There's 4 windows here, so you get the nice light, bright area in the mornings when you're having your coffee and reading the paper. And then in here is your great room. And this is definitely a great room. It is plugged. The outlets are there if you want to put in ceiling fans in all the rooms. The woman that had the house just opted not to do that at that time. I want to show you these doors. Holy McMoly, look at this. Wow, double. Do you see these sliding doors? They all collapse. So they'll go behind each other. It's too hard to do it when I'm on video. Behind each other. So it'll be wide open. And then on this side, the same thing. They'll collapse the 2 behind that one. So you'll have one big, open, gorgeous space here. When the weather's beautiful outside, this is the spot to be. And you have your spot to set up your television. You have your open kitchen floor plan. Now, if that's not enough to make you want to run out right away, come check out this master bathroom. Here's the master suite. Nice tray ceilings again. Beautiful windows, 3 windows. You have a spot to put your TV, hang it on the wall. And then you have your master bathroom suite. You have the double vanities with the matching cabinetry from the rest of the house. Very pretty. You have the private water closet right here. And then if I spin around slowly so I don't make you sick, she paid a lot of money to have this custom jetted tub put in. And then my favorite thing, well, wait a minute. You have a very big, deep walk-in closet. Doesn't ever show bright on these videos, but trust me, it's deep. It takes up the whole length of this wall. You have the walk-through shower. So you have shower head, and you have your on-off, and you have an on-off over here. So it is really very, very nice. This shower, I'm in the shower, and you have the tile going through. The Lastello is beautiful. I love the windows up high, giving you nice lighting. It's very, very, very pretty. I absolutely love this bathroom. And so, well, I guess that's it. That's the tour for today. So I wish there was more for me to show you. I would love to show you more, but now if you want to see more, you're going to have to come over and see the house. Call your agent, call me. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate it. I'll be back again on Friday with another listing. This is Karina Danager with Keller Williams. Thanks for tuning you in, and I'll see you on the next one.